Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I'll be starting on freshly washed and moisturized hair. I moisturized my hair the day before with this olive oil moisturizing lotion. This is why I love this moisturizing lotion, because it keeps my hair moisturized. So now I'm gonna be starting these braids. So just watch how I part my hair. I should have parted that middle section on camera, but as you guys can see, I have a little circle section in the middle where I part out to do my mini twist, and also it helps the braids to come together in a ponytail, if you understand what I mean. So KK squad, just watch and see how I do these braids. I'm gonna have a more up close clip coming up soon after this, so you guys can see exactly how I do these braids, especially for beginners who don't know how to braid. The clip will be more up close for you guys to, you know, get a better understanding. So just keep watching. By the way, this is in real time for beginners as well, so you guys can see how I braid. So for the ends, I'm gonna do twists because I want my ends to be curly, as you guys see in the thumbnail. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it in two and twist, and I'm gonna be using the Aunt Jackie's buttercream. That thing works well with my twists, makes my curls pop when I unravel my twists. And I'm gonna be doing these twists small. That is why I'm doing two for each braids, just so when I unravel these twists, I have a full curly puff at the top of my head. And also that is why I'm doing the twist with that little circle that I part in the middle of my head. Guys, just keep watching, because maybe I'm just rambling and not explaining what I'm doing, but you guys will see in the video. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the next side, where I part my hair slant so the braids can go up in that direction, and also I want to have a slant in the middle, so just keep watching. Honestly, this style is all about parting. It all depends on the way you part the hair, just so you could get the style that you desire. So if you want a slant, you have to part the hair slant to get the braids going slant, if you get what I mean. The moment everybody has been waiting on, because this is difficult for a lot of people, and then on YouTube you don't see a lot of people doing this braid going up. It's either they do it off camera or something, but this is the way I do it. It may not be perfect, but I think it was good enough for me. This is in real time, it's up close, so just watch carefully how I braid my hair going upwards. Guys, this is not easy. I'm not gonna come on here and pretend that it was easy. My hands hurt so bad. As you can see, I keep putting my hands down because it was hurting so bad. This is not easy, especially with natural hair. I used to do this with my relaxed hair. It was a little easier because my hair was straight, but my thick natural hair, it wasn't easy, but it was worth it. As you can see, the braids in the back are a little bigger than the ones in the front, so I did 3 twists for each braid. Also, the parts in the back, I didn't have a mirror to part my hair, and I think I did pretty well. I give myself a pat on the back for that. So now I'm gonna be starting on the twists in the middle, so I'm just gonna be doing regular mini twists. So now I'm all done, and I'm gonna be using a hair tie just to put everything up in a ponytail and leave those twists to dry overnight. Guys, I'm so sorry that I unraveled the twist off camera, but as you guys can see in previous videos before this one, that I was rushing and packing for my vacation, so I just did it really fast off camera. But this is the final result. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. How well did I do with this hairstyle? Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe, like this video, make that thumbs up black. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.